oh my gosh, Kate Moss was mentioned, and oh, this is a big win for Johnny. Well, why? Hi, this is Jeff Marsacci, the Plain English Attorney, and today we are going to react to Amber Heard's Kate Moss moment and explain exactly what it means. Now, if you've been following the trial at all, there's all this, oh my gosh, Kate Moss was mentioned, and oh, this is a big win for Johnny. Well, why? All right, well, first, let's set up the context, and I'm going to reference back to a video I recently did on hearsay, and that's courts do not want rumors to be the basis of finding the truth. And that's why we don't allow people to say, oh, so-and-so said this. And the jury hears what they said the other person said, and somehow or another infer that what that other person said is the truth. They're not on the stand to testify. So again, it's all about, we don't want rumors. So you go back many years. Johnny Depp was in a relationship with Kate Moss, the model, and she had fallen down some stairs when they were on vacation, and the rumors went, Johnny Depp pushed her. Oh my gosh, Johnny Depp pushed her. And if you just kind of walk up to somebody who might have been around back then and was following this and said, hey, did Johnny Depp push Kate Moss down some stairs? I heard about that. Oh, yeah, I heard that too. Yeah. It's not true. So, where does this bring this to the trial? Because this whole trial was about Johnny Depp suing Amber Heard because he's claiming she lied about him abusing her in such a public way that he lost acting roles that were worth tens of millions of dollars. The biggest one being Pirates of the Caribbean. And so he's suing her because he's like, my career is forever tarnished because she lied. So now Amber Heard is trying to, oh no, I didn't lie. He really did those horrible things. And both sides, in all the preliminaries before the trial happened and before they brought the jury in, the judge and them, they came to this agreement that they just weren't going to bring in all of these character witnesses, because you could bring in character witnesses all day long, and then it becomes about which character witness gave the best. No. We want to find out what happened. And Kate Moss was ready to go in and just defend Johnny Depp. No, he never did anything to me. It was, I fell down the stairs. He did. But nope, we were leaving that out. That wasn't going to be relevant at all. So let's go ahead and hear Amber Heard's testimony and talk about that aha moment.
I just remember this brief struggle we had before we kind of break away. Whitney, my sister, all of a sudden put herself in between Johnny and I. She just threw herself like in the line of fire or whatever. She just all of a sudden was there and was trying to get Johnny to stop. Her back was to the staircase, and Johnny swings at her, and I just see my little sister with her back her back to the staircase, and Johnny swings at her, and I don't even wait for any other, I don't hesitate, I don't wait, I just in my head instantly think of Kate Moss and the stairs, and I swung at him. In all of my relationship to date with Johnny, I hadn't landed a blow. And I, for the first time, hit him. Like, actually hit him.
Okay, so let's talk a bit about that moment and what it actually meant, because that's when, you saw the Johnny Depp's attorney go, Okay, because she now interjected that old rumor about Kate Moss, it's not fair for her to put that rumor into the heads of the jury. And so Johnny Depp's attorneys are like, great. Now we get to bring in Kate Moss to rebut all of that under oath. Because remember, she was really willing to do this. She wanted to do this. She wanted to be a character witness, but they let it out. But Amber Heard testifying about that old rumor opened the door to bring it in. So now, as a rebuttal witness, Johnny Depp's attorneys were allowed to bring her in. So let's go ahead and check out what her testimony was.
Your time. My name is Ben Chu from the firm of Brown Rudnick. Would you please state your full name for the record?
Kate Moss,
Miss Moss, where do you reside?
London, England.
From where are you testifying today, Miss Moss?
Gloucestershire, England.
Miss Moss, do you know Johnny Depp?
Yes, I do.
How do you know Mr. Depp?
I had a relationship with him.
Did there come a time when you and Mr. Depp had a romantic relationship?
Yes.
For how long, Miss Moss, were you and Mr. Depp a romantic couple?
From 1993 to 1994 to 1998.
Miss Moss, did there come a time when you, while you and Mr. Depp were a couple, that the two of you took a vacation together to the Golden Eye Resort in Jamaica?
Yes.
What, if anything, happened when you were in Jamaica with Mr. Depp?
Here's where it comes.
We were leaving the room and Johnny left the room before I did, and there had been a rainstorm, and as I left the room I slid down the stairs and I hurt my back.
How did you...
And
I apologize, Miss Moss. Please continue.
and I screamed because I was in because I didn't know what had happened to me and I was in pain, and he came running back to help me and carried me to my room and got me medical attention.
Did Mr. Depp push you in any way down the stairs?
No,
During the course of your relationship, did he ever push you down any stairs?
no, he never pushed me, kicked me, or threw me down any stairs.
Ms. Moss, have you ever before today testified
Watch
in
this
any
one.
kind of court proceeding?
No, I have never.
Why did you decide to testify today?
Right
Objection,
here.
Your Honor.
All right,
That's beyond the scope of what we just talked about.
all right, I'll sustain the objection.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's talk about a couple of those things right there. Notice she wasn't testifying, Johnny never hurt me. Why? Because it's beyond the scope of what she's trying to rebut. Amber Heard did not say, I remember Kate Moss being used by Johnny Depp. She only referenced the staircase incident. And so when she was brought in to rebut Amber Heard's testimony, it necessarily had to be limited to that event. So she described what happened. It had been raining. She slipped. And so Johnny took her back to the hotel room, got her medical attention, but so did he ever push you? And she's, no, he never pushed me, shoved me, whatever, down any stairs. You notice that the attorney didn't ask, did he ever hit you? He did not say that, because that would have been beyond the scope and the whole question would have been thrown out. So he kept it very narrowly focused on the whole rebuttal portion. And in fact, when he kind of tried, he said, have you ever testified at all before? No. And then he's like, why did you testify today? Right there, Amber Heard's lawyer was like, nope, that's beyond the scope, she said, quote, of what we just talked about. Obviously, they talked about limiting her testimony to being rebuttal, which is entirely proper. So they were allowed to bring Kate Moss in. And yes, it was damaging because it completely threw out that rumor, which now on the stand, Amber Heard tried to revive with her testimony about, it was going through my head, the whole thing where Johnny pushed Kate Moss down the stairs. No, it didn't happen. And so that really did hurt Amber Heard. And, well, at the time I'm recording this, we're going to see where this goes. At the time I'm recording it, they closed the case, and now I'm just reacting, but we're still waiting for the verdict. So I hope you found that information interesting and useful. As I always tell my clients, please stay safe, plan ahead, and enjoy life. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want to keep getting good information like that. Whatever you do, make it a great day.